in between the worlds of sleep and awake. Seems so far away from where I've been, and unsure but not afraid. Trusting my soul, I know I must be taken to see the world that is not so far from now. Imaginations come and sweep the shores of my mind, letting it be visions pass and emotions arise, letting them go beyond on doors I've never seen, opening one by one. Wake up, I hear a voice calling out to me. Look inside, see the light now ever holding you. All the truth is all you need to make of your reality. It's right here. Look deep within your shell. Finding out a galaxy of planets and stars within me, listening to each of them singing the same silent